Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Gaurav and this is your go-to place for all things related to QA automation. So today's episode will cover part 4 of our chain test reporting series. We are diving deep into something exciting. This is related to customizing the chain test report. So you will learn how to tweak the layouts, modify themes, add your own project name and even inject custom data or visual elements to make your reports stand out. By end of this video, you will have full control over how your chain test report look professional, detailed and totally you. So grab your coffee, hit that like button and let's start customizing. So let's see the agenda. So we'll see how we can add the project details, configure title, theme, data format, report directory, highlighting pass, fail, skip tests, adding screenshot for the failed tests. So there are many configurations, but we'll focus on these items for today's video. So as you can see, there is a variable called chain test project name where we can customize with our name, like whatever name we have to give for the project we can set it here, can give the string value here. So for example here I have given test framework by Gaurav. So yeah, this is customizable and we can change as per our need. Going to this, so yeah, we can configure the title, chain test report I have given, that can be changed. Theme, whether it should be a dark theme or light theme, that also can be customized. uh, Hope you can see here, this is the variable name which is given, so we can assign it true or false. If it's true, then it's gonna take dark theme. If it's false, then it takes the light theme. Coming to the date format, so below that only we have this format, so we can change that as well, how your dates, time step of execution, start date and end date looks like, so that can be changed here. And yeah, so there is a report directory also where the report gets generated after the execution. So if you can see, this is the one, chain test generate a simple output file. Here I have mentioned target chain test index.html. This is what I have given, but yeah, we can just customize and give as per our folder wherever you want to generate the chain test report. And we have, yeah, so we can check whether a step or a test case has been passed or failed. So we can check that using the color coding and the emphasis on the icon of pass, failed or skipped. That can be easily identified in the report. So coming to this, so this is actually for failed tests, we need to identify why it has been failed. So whenever a test step fails, we are adding a code of taking the screenshot. So as you can see in the screenshot, I have given a code where in the after method, if a test case fails, so if I test result I have passed listener, if it fails, then it takes the screenshot and it gets embedded into the step of the test case into the report. So this is the line where test listener dot embed, that image which I have taken, it gets embedded. Yeah, this is how we can basically add a screenshot for failed tests, so that any tester who sees the report can easily debug and check exactly at which step the test script has been failed, and he can fix that immediately. So as per the details given in the chain test report, if you can see the report now, the title has been printed here, the project name is displayed here, we have given timestamp format, date format, which is displayed like this. So this is the same format which we have given in the chain test report. So this is given for the start date and end date here at the top. Coming to the theme. So since I have given dark theme as true, so this has come as dark theme. If I would have given false there, like there could have been like light theme, which is the report could have been generated with the light theme. So coming to the test case status, like whether it's passed, failed, or skipped, how we can identify that using the icon which is displayed here. So if it's a failed, then we'll see how like we can see that there will be a cross button, or if it's skipped, it's in orange. So pass, it will have green. So this is how it will be displayed. And yeah, if you can see, the directory path which I have given there was target chain test index.html. So from there only I have opened. If you can see, this is the project name, and if you can see under target folder chain test, I've opened the index.html file. So yeah, this is the report. So there are many other configurations which we can do, but yeah, these are the primary ones which we can simply do it. And that's it for today's session on customizing ChainTest reporting. Now you know how to personalize your reports from layout and themes to adding your own data and branding. So every report truly represents your project style. In the next video, we will move one step further and explore how to integrate these custom reports within your automation pipeline. So stay tuned. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon. Thanks a lot. And always drop your question or custom ideas in the comments. I love reading your thoughts. See you around.